Morning, Max.
Morning, morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. This. Yo, morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Just do this. Okay, so welcome everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. And today, yeah, we're going to be going through another beautiful day. So I've got my tea ready. Looking at the charts, looking like gold's already pushed up quite a bit. Wasn't really much of a 5-minute trend line that you could have hopped on, really. Kind of just ranged the whole of Asian. And then we just popped 5:45 the second I opened my eyes. So the first things first, guys. Hope you guys have had a really good weekend. I sure did. And I will take a look here at the news today. So today news, yeah, we're actually not too bad. Some Euro news. But apart from that, we are actually not bad at all. Which is bloody great. So let's go through the chart over here. Let me like this. Okay, so let's take a look at Goldie, right? Pretty damn obvious what the bias is right now. We are bullish. We are flying high. Wouldn't surprise me if this week we get to 2046. To be honest with you, there's just so much volume. Last week, you know, we pushed up how many pips? Yeah, like 700 pips. So sorry, last day was 700 pips. Fucking hell, it was last day. So yeah, I do expect us to get to these highs. Why? Well, because the rates are coming out again this week. Looking like they're going to put them up again, which is bad for the banks again, which is making them a little bit unstable, as we've seen in recent weeks. So yeah, what do I expect? I expect Goldie to continue the weekly time frame to fill this wick and to fill these wicks. So that's fine. Does that mean that I can't take sells? No, I can still take sells on the reflips and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. So let's put this on. Okay, so daily flip, right? The daily candle's bearish right now. It came to the high and it's rejected a little bit. The 4-hour time frame doesn't have much of a bottom wick, but did do exactly what you expected to do there. The 4-hour, making a little bit of support here. You can see that pretty well. In terms of, one second, it's a 20 actually. So in terms of that, then, where can we potentially look to take sells? The first thing we'll look for is sells, because the buyers, you have to look more to the left hand side. So for me here, the sells, well, we do have a recent support here, which is 1969. Could you take sells below to continue back down to 57? Yeah, you could do. We break of Asian lows, you know, a little bit of a lower wick to start the weekly would be nice. How big is this zone from there to there? That's 70 pips. So yeah, a nice little push down there could be quite interesting. To take a little sell on, that'd be nice later on, because there always is retracements in gold, right? It doesn't mean that the bias is like that, you know, take your money and go, but you can take some nice little pushes down, to be fair. 1969. Yeah, so potentially sells below there, and then obviously where I want to also take sells below 1956.9. Do I? And also, yeah, as I said before, do I think that this is going to continue for ages? No, right? But I think I can get some nice little pepperoonies out of it. Okay, so yeah. how could you have taken the buys before? Yeah, I mean, stop loss above was like 100 pips, so how much do you get out of it? Like 40, 50? Yeah, it's alright, but not amazing. Hey Max, do you have wide spreads during Asian session? Normally, yes. They only be quite wide, yeah. Oh, yes. Gold 2K FOMC, yes. Easy work. 2K, I think. 2K is a bit less. I think probably 2050 would be pretty interesting. So yeah, these are my cells below. It looks like my font's different here. This looks different. I like it though. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Some sort of retracements. If I took cells below 56, we've got a nice range all the way down to 1934. So you've got some nice little zones there to take advantage of. In terms of buys, then let's take a look. We're gonna have to go all the way to the left hand side and see what happened before. How far do we have to go? I think it was in shit. I think it was in the March time, probably, where the war came out. This is August. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, April, March time. So, I mean, the last time we came up over here, yeah, the day flip was there. Came back to 1998. I'm pretty sure that's literally exactly where we touched. Oh no, we touched 92 today. So, like there. So, I mean, in terms of above, where would our targets be? Well, 2000 levels, 2005 looks pretty reasonable. 2000, though, is probably the best target right here. So, if I move this on to 2000. Why? Well, because what I'm looking at is every single time we pushed up here, do we hit 2000? Well, here we did, 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 here we did. So yeah, 2000 is the reasonable target here, and that makes logical sense, right? And then if you do want to push it further, then we can get to 2006, which is here. Furthermore, we can get to 2017. Furthermore, which is the big push after, we can get to the big gains over here. Maybe even 2070. Huge. So yeah, I'll have to wait for them. How would I want to approach these? Well, break of highs probably an NY session. I wouldn't want to take it through London, to be honest. And obviously some support formings as well. That's what I'd want to do. So yeah. So that's kind of Goldie over here. Just wait for some sort of retracement, I'd say. Taking the buys at highs for me with stop losses at like fucking 100 pips. There's no point. So daily time frame on GJ. Looking like we are kind of consolidating here. These candles are rejecting the lows at 158. But not really pushing above 163. Obviously massive zones again. Daily time frame over here is bearish. Made a top wick. A big top wick as well. 4 hour time frame, if we take a look here, is coming down. So the last 4 hour candle looks very bearish. This one's made a top wick, flipped. Is that 4 hour support right now? See how that looks like on the lower time frames. Yeah, so I mean, it's not really the cleanest here as the left hand side after we got that push down, which I wanted to take these sells. I just couldn't fucking get in. So I got EJ instead. But in terms of where I'd want to take buys, obviously above 162. Why? Well, it's the most recent kind of area for highs. We do have a clean candles above. We do. Where would the first take profit be? Probably 162.800. Why? Well, because if you look to the left hand side, we have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. So it's pretty obvious where I'd want to take some off there. And then obviously higher up, you could maybe run all the way to the resistance if you fancy there. Okay, so these are my buys above. Just whack them on. Okay, now in terms of sells, obviously let's take a look at below, to the left hand side. If you've been here a while, we haven't really. can't really see too much to the left hand side, to be honest with you. GJ is coming down right now. The 4 hours obviously breaking the lows. We still have, yeah, is it broken previous 4 hour lows? Yeah, it's come back down to this level. I mean, we have to see. I don't think it's the cleanest now. I mean, obviously we have a support down here, which we have rejected a couple times here at 160-200. We do have a support here at 160. Makes logical sense. That is 40 pips away. If we got a sell below this level, let me just put this on like that. What do we have below? Yeah, we actually don't have that bad trades below, actually. We have a push down to 159.361. It'd be kind of the same trade we took on Thursday. Yeah, we took this trade on Thursday. This one here. So similar kind of trade. I think that would be quite nice, actually, below 159.931. To continue back down to that low again. Obviously, still pretty bearish, so it doesn't make sense to keep with the sells unless you break them highs over here. How many percentage risk per trade? 1.4. Yeah, the Dow is still doing a Titanic. Yeah. Oh, no sugar in my tea. Let's begin. So yeah, I mean, potentially sells below there is what I'd probably look for, to be honest with you. But we are coming down here quite nicely. Coming down to this 50-minute support. See how we deal. Goldie coming back up. So yeah, just be careful taking, like, you know, the sells, like, riskier on, like, but it's not breaking supports yet. You know, it's still very, very bullish. What about EJ? Let's take a look. See if we can switch through just before. Yeah, same kind of thing, you know. I mean, actually, yeah, I mean, sells below 140.343. Did that make sense? Well, if you're closing below this level, if you're closing below this level, this was a little bit of a fake out, to be fair. You can maybe look for below 140. I mean, it's all right, but I wouldn't say it was. You might be able to get back down to 139.650. But I don't really like it that much, to be honest with you. To be honest. Wow, look at that Goldie reflipping. Damn. Closing in 5 minutes time. How much is spreads actually on Goldie over here? Not bad, not bad, not bad. What do you think has caused the volume through the night? Just the general news. There's a lot of news coming this week. Still a lot of stress for the banks, you know. It's gonna continue, you know. Let's take a look and see if there's actually any news articles right now. US dollar on defensive, central banks seek to reassure markets. Yes, there's just a lot of stress in the markets and a lot of fear. And when there's fear in the markets, stress in the markets, the safe havens go up. So, yeah, that's all it is. That's all it is. So yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, right now on EJ, I'm not really liking it. I think it's maybe a little bit too choppy for us. So I may have to hold off over here. But remember, it is just the start of the week. There's no rush. There's no rush. It's just taking the best setups over here. So yeah, I mean, I think it's probably best to leave this, to be honest. I think I might just wait. Everyone here to see Erling Haaland. My God, I knew he was gonna score so many goals this year. He's a beast. He's a bloody beast. Yeah, there's a big support there. Big supports there. Anywhere below, yeah, actually got quite clean candles below, actually, which is not bad. So we'll see. So 5 still chill. Yep. Yeah, trades in the morning may help here, eh? Because if you look, guys, there's a lot of news this week. If you go for it, trading will stop. I don't know. You were right about the EJ drop last week, props, bro. Yes, always right. So let me just get that on. Yeah, we'll see. 2 minutes left for this 30 to close. It'll be very, very interesting here. Yeah, stops are going to be wild on Goldie this week, but you can still take a little piece out of the market with it. Indeed, indeed. Yeah, wow, Goldie's GJ pushing down too. Look at the daily, got some good wick fills again to fill. Hit the like, everyone. Yeah, make sure you like the stream, guys. Today we'll be hitting 10,000 subscribers. It looks like. Or maybe we've already hit it. We have. Nice. 10K. Very nice. $10K. Beautiful. Yeah, it's a strong closure. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad, eh? Up to 2,000 would be quite an easy level. Lambo giveaway. Voice not audible. It may be your voice on Zoomy. I think it may be your Wi-Fi, brother. So looking like Goldie's come back up. I mean, how big would the zone be? So like 80 pips for, yeah, it's not bad, you know. Not bad to get to 2,000, which you know is it'll be a level to attract. We'll see this next candle, to be fair. If you can make maybe a little bit of a lower wick and get on the flip, I think we'll be able to get a push to 2,000. Especially how we've just came all the way down, rejected. It's looking very nice. Basically I need a lower wick to use for better stop loss, yeah. No top wick. On the 15 as well. No top wick on the 15. So yeah, and when there's no top wick, I like it to make quite a big lower wick, so we'll see. We will see. GJ's not there yet. Yeah, all good. All good. She's 10K. Yeah, and 10K. Jeez, not bad, not bad. Not bad, eh? Still look in the hourly time frame. Yeah, so the hourly, you should get up to here, 1998, 2000s. Not bad. Let's look here. EJ 30-minute closure looking good. I don't know. I think the zone's all right, but not the best. Make that low, wick boy. She's come a little further down. Then I can get a buy stop above the high. What's this? Waiting for 30 minutes. GJ to make a top wick to take a sell. Yeah, it's long gone. That motherfucker's gone, boy. How many pips? There's not really any pips. I just kind of, I just want to make sure I get the drive right. And I know the bigger the low wick that I get. So, and you know, I don't really mind. It's just logical. I want it just to push a little bit further, and then when we get the refit break of the high, we should get at least a drive. So it doesn't have to be too big. It just has to be logical in terms of a little push. I'll push down a little bit further, and then I can, you know, put a buy stuff above here and take the flip. Not the flip, sorry. Breaking the previous high.
You mean on candle? You mean this candle high?
Yeah.
Or the next one?
This candle high. Come on, push a little bit further down, brother. So you look at the lower time frames. Yeah, I think we may have to take this, guys. I think the zone above's clean to get to that level. So I've got a buy stop over here. Break of the current high. To continue bullish. Yeah, the stop loss is big, but the zone is big, so you know I'm happy taking it. It's a percentage risk. So yeah. So yeah. So I got activated over here. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, it's all good, it's all good. GJ. And what is this? This is a 30-minute closure above resistance. So yeah, we'll see over here. What time is this? 6:36. Break of the current 30-minute time frame. Stop losses. 88 pips. Do 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 do. Took 18 pips in that sell, 80 minute. Very nice. Morning, guys. Morning, Alex. I'm on. Do 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 do. Put my stops at 1918. What? 1918? Oh my god. How was Liverpool, bro? Oh man, it's so good. Yeah, Liverpool is a vibe. Liverpool is one hell of a vibe, my god. It was just sick. Everything about it was just dope, man. It was proper. It was like just like Ireland. I didn't know how many fucking Irish lived there. My god, it's just full of Irish. Right, so I'm not gonna lie, guys. I don't like how we're not driving straight away. To be honest with you, obviously it's still all good, but I don't like how we're not driving. So we'll see. I mean, obviously it's still early on. It's still 9 minutes into this candle. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see maybe in the next 15 or so. 5 minute res on gold. Yeah, a little bit of there. Break even at the wick. Yeah, that's what I would want. Break even at the wick would be what I'd want. Yes. Break even at the wick.
We keep closing bullish at the 5.
Yeah. All we need is a little push, and then we can just go break even and let this rock. I suppose the only thing that's meh is maybe it's at 1990. It's quite a big level. You see these 5 minute candles starting to slow down. Candles losing fuel, maybe. Still though, everything's alright so far. We just need a little bit more of a push, and then we can learn on. Doom, 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 doom. Let's see. What was it? Wasn't the 5 minute low? That's fair. Let's fear. 80 minutes left for this 30. Still got a lot of time just to get fill this wick. There's a level at 1950, so I'd rather take cells below 56. It can be a cell below, yeah. I think 69 and 56 is fine, to be honest with you. So yeah, risking 1.4% on this trade, it's not bad at all. It's exact same risk as you would on a 20 pip trade. And that's the good thing about percentage risk, you know. You don't have to worry about how big the stop is. Which is very nice. We've got 50 minutes left for this hourly as well. A lot of time. You guys out? I don't know. I think it's still got a lot of time, you know. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Basically, I also don't like it. Yeah, that's fair. Take a look at GJ. GJ's, yeah, right at 160. And EJ, yeah, a nice little drop there, to be fair. Not too bad. You seen the show Billions? No, I've never heard of it. Billions.
That's a sick show.
Is it?
Yeah, man, you should watch that.
Billions and billions. Let's take a look at the lower timers doing. 15 just closed bearish. Not the best sign. However, this is an example where, you know, for me anyway, the volume is clearly bullish. You know, one little retracement isn't worth, for me anyway, managing. I think it's still very, very bullish. You just gotta give it a little bit of patience over here. Set the stop and stick to it for me. Yeah, like, you know, until the 30 closes. I think so. Thinking of being out myself, should I? It depends. For me, it's 30 hasn't closed yet. 15 closed weak. The 15 didn't even close below, so it's still above. So, you know, if you look at the 15 here, we still haven't closed below yet. This next candle could easily just wick into here. then start breaking up again. Has the daylight timings changed in the UK? No. I don't think so anyway. Has it? Has it? I don't know. No, 26th of March. Yeah, 26th. Next week. Yeah, next week. So yeah, if the 30-minute candle closes bearish back below, then I'm going to take it off. Yep, that's how I'm going to manage. But if not, if it closes above, then I'm just going to keep it on. Because it's a closure above, the zone above's clean, the 30's closed strongly bullish above. Don't use emotions to manage risk, I just wait. So yeah, look at GJ. London Open Max? Yeah, we'll see, you know. We shall see. Damn, GJ interesting. Yeah, GJ is still pumping, eh? 11 minutes left. Yeah, I watched that new Scream movie on the weekend. That was pretty good. Even though I haven't watched any of the other ones, I didn't really know the storyline, but it was still good. I still like. Still pretty enjoyable. So obviously this 30-minute closes back below. It would be a fake out. However, obviously it's still very bullish. I wouldn't want to take the fake out, I don't think. I don't think so. Okay, is that 21? Is that 22? Yeah. Gold at weekly resistance. Yeah, maybe a little bit. 1988. Maybe. Shit, this is scary. It shouldn't be, Mohammed, my man. If you use percentage risk, it should not be, brother. You're risking 1.4% maximum on this trade, and you're good, man. The time zone must have changed in the US. It did a couple of weeks ago. Yeah. Yeah, the daylight for me is a bit of a pain. I don't really like it because you can't go in the gym in the middle because there's just not enough time. That's the only reason I don't like it. For me personally, yeah, come down to 15. Yeah, the break between London and NY is small now. Yeah. Agreed. So that's why the market closes? Yeah. Yep. At 9 a.m. 9 p.m. instead of 10. Yeah. Daylight saving, brother. It's next week, yeah. How do you think about rationing? All it is a 30-minute closure above the zone. You have every single time frame with you. It's just a normal trade. You just gotta, yeah. If you don't have magic keys, and it's hard because you can't. You just have to plug in your risk. But in these situations where you're in drawdown, you just gotta know it's just a part of the process. You just gotta get on with it. As long as you know where to manage, which I do. In 6 minutes time, if this closes bearish below, I'm closing. Then life's good. You just gotta take it like a man. Let's look at the daily time frame. Stick to your rules, exactly. My risk is 2%. Nice. %. Yeah, the reason why I risk 1.4 just seems to be the nicest amount for me. Gives you a nice amount. Why can't you go in the gym in the daylight? You got a tag. Yeah, I will do, Deanie boy. Will do. How much do you bench, lol? I haven't tried in a while, to be honest. I haven't in years, to be honest. But I don't know. I think I could probably do 100 for like 6 or something. So what's going on in my head right now? Well, getting ready to potentially move my stop loss to this low. Because if we break that low, we're going to continue to drive further. Okay? So I'm always thinking about how I manage my risk. You know, it's 4 minutes left. If we then break this low, it's going to close there really anyway. So I'm potentially going to move my stop loss over here. £100, right? No, not £100. 100 kg. You could probably do. 100 grams, 6 ref. Would you take that, GJ? It's getting close to the hourly support. Can you see? Yeah. It's getting quite close to the hourly support. How long? Yeah, 17 pips until then. Maybe not enough over here, I don't think. Okay, 3 minutes left. I'm gonna move my stop over here. to the low of the current 30 minute. So my stop loss is 1885.2 or 3. So already managed risk here. Break that low, yeah, I'm gonna lose like nearly half of what I expected. So that's beautiful. Just because there's 2 minutes left, if we do break that low right now, I'm gonna get a closure below anyway. So if stop loss here was 92 and I close at 58, yeah, minus 0.8, not bad, but expected maybe a little drive, like, you know, a little drive to fill this wick to go break even and then to get the push. We'll see though. Still okay. Still valid. 5 minutes still holding support. Just if it breaks that support, we're gonna come back down into the zone. It looks like. Bye, GJ. Yeah. It's still very, very early on, right? It's not even 7 o'clock yet. Wow. It's very early. Dum 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 dum. Yeah, I mean, if this was maybe a little bit clean, I know if we could close like at 850, that would have been all right. But yeah, we're pushing this zone quite a lot, eh? So that's all good. Man, we've been seeing City playing recently. My God, they're on fire, bro. And Arsenal is still doing so well. It's ridiculous. It's mad how well they're playing. It's a madness. Minute close bearish, didn't close below, so I'm gonna keep it out over here. Looks like. Actually, you mean Haaland's on fire? Mate, the whole team is just ridiculous. Even like Grealish is sick. I hope Arsenal win the league. Yeah, me too. You know. And they're a bunch of young lads as well, so that'll be sick for their, you know, confidence in that. Especially Saka, man. Saka deserves it. The amount of hate he got, fucking hell. Saka, you know, really did guns blazing. Yeah, the only issue we have here is there's no lower wick yet, but you know, sometimes a goal with volume don't need no lower wick. Just go. Fireball. Down. Does anyone have nice TV shows to recommend? Oh, I think there's a lot of people in here who do like good TV shows. Taking sells on GJ, yeah, I mean, no, it's going to get down to the support, which is 18 pips away. It's fine. It's just your stops are going to be maybe a little bit larger than life. That is your only issue. Hourly closed above as well, which is great. So
I need a lower wick in this photo.
no, we don't. We don't need a lower wick. We don't need no lower wick.
Just keep going.
Watch Breaking Bad, yeah. There's a lot of shows, you know. Fireball. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Or Downtown Abbey, Max's fave. Break the fucking high! So close to breaking that previous 30-minute high. Do do do. Okay guys, so we are coming up over here, which is great. I am going to go break even though very soon. I'd rather take a break even here now because there's no bottom wick on the 30, which is a bit annoying. So just getting this little drive. If it wants to push, great. If not, then I'm just going to hit break even, right? So so at this point here now, guys, I'm going to go break even. Just because the fact that the 30 has no bottom wick now, and I'm worried that if we do reject again, we're gonna take an L pretty quick. So I'd rather go break even here, get all of the gains if it does want to push. If not, I'm just gonna get break even. Okay, TP is gonna be at the 2000 mark. Okay, and there we go. That's how you survive a trade that isn't in your favor, but you don't manage quickly. You just let it run. And now look, we're up 30 pips. So, and did you see my emotions in it? Did I get vexed? Did I get scared? Did I get cautious? No, man, just fucking take the trade you take every single time. So yeah, if this runs great, if it hits break even, which I probably think it's going to, that's fine, you know? I wanted to drive much earlier, obviously, but that's fine, you know? I hold it with you with no emotions. Exactly. That was intense though. So 40 pips now. Oh, I might close, here, Come on, push it a little bit more, boy. Yeah, I might close some here, guys. So yeah, closed 8% here. Now the why? Well, I'm up 50 pips, and for the fact that the 30 still has no bottom wick. So if I know, if I'm up 50 pips, right? Yeah, my stop loss is 80, whatever, right? If I'm up 50 pips, right? And I know that this 30-minute candle that I'm on right now has no lower wick and it has 22 minutes left. What does this mean? Well, it means, you know, there's still 80% chance it's going to make a low wick because there's 80% chance we do make lower wicks with candles. Therefore, there's still an 80% chance I'm going to hit break even. So if I'm up 50 pips, well, I'm going to fucking take it. TP2, I will close at 2,000. Buy so not activate. Oh shit, sorry guys. Well, if you guys just listen to me, you know that I was in. Beautiful. Amazing work, guys. Another day, another dollar on stream. Patiently waited. Got 50 pips on gold. Very nice. Dubs in the chat, guys. Make sure to put some dubs in the chat. There we go. Nice. Rest is running. Okay, so yeah, and EJ and GJ, I just don't really like the zone there, you know. Just kind of waiting for it. There we go. Nice. 1% closed here. Beautiful. Nice, Tommy boy. Good lad. Good lad. And there we go. Coming up to, you know, the TP that we wanted, you know. So let's get it. Oh, coming towards TP over here. Yeah, I'm going to close full here, guys. Why? Because I saw 98 was the next level. So there we go. Close full. So yeah, close full there, guys. Close full at 1998.53. Labosh. Gotta go change my pants. I put 8% in this trade, now up 8%. Fucking hell, man. 8% on a break of the high. Damn. Damn. So let's update the record over here. So let's go to our thing over here. We closed at 50 and the rest 80. Do-dum, do-dum. Do-dum, dum, dum. GJ also pushed, yeah, nice. So 7.4% overall now, which is good. Okay, the only time you get happy that you can choose which you dollar when you're earning in, yeah. I'm trading stop loss now. Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, if you just look to the left hand side, there is a lot of traffic at 2000, like, you know, obviously, right? So, I wouldn't think it's going to move too much further. And there we go there, smash TP at 2000 level pretty much now. Amazing work. Easy, easy. Look how many dubs in the chat as well. For 10,000 YouTube subscribers. Very nice. So let's go here. Easy 1%. Yeah, nice. But yeah, the same thing, guys. If you were getting vexed about the stops and all that kind of stuff, just be patient, man. It's 30-minute closure above. You've got a whole lot of direction over here, okay? A whole lot of direction. So yeah, 75% win rate now. It's looking good overall for this year. You know, 73%, not bad. 30% gain so far the last 3 months. So if you have been in the mentorship, you know, you've had some good gains past 3 months. And yeah, obviously, guys, the signal was called out to the group over here. There we go. So even if you couldn't get to stream, you could still take the trade and make some money. If you made more than, you know, fucking, well, anything, you know, £50 for the mentorship, 1 trade already. In the past, if you look at the past, I don't know how many trades. Well, this whole month, but past couple trades, you've taken, you know, 5 wins, 1 loss. So you can work out the maths, right? If you're up 7% for the month and your account is, you know, £1,000 account, then you've made 70 quid whilst learning. So, and yeah, we're starting to make a good group, man. Like, everyone's starting to talk, which is good. I'm pretty happy about this. You know, the chat. I mean, you know, I had a rejig through the December. We kind of made things set in stone, and now we've got, you know, a really good group of like-minded traders, and it's class. You know, we talk all the time in the chats about setups, about things. We have good chats, which is nice. So if you want a part of that, you know where to come. Learn hasn't even opened yet, and I'm done for the day. Nice. Yeah, I mean, what I would say is, especially, is, you know, this whole done for the day after take a winning trade is a good mentality at the start, especially when, you know, you may be over risking, over trading, all that kind of stuff. But when you've got that on lockdown, man, these days are the days you can make a shitload of money. I was saying last week, you can make, you know, a whole month's worth of wages really for trading. And yeah, like, that's something that I do need to work on. And this is the thing. This is when Raj is the best. When he takes the account that, you know, there's a lot of volume. So holding trades on, for example, every single one of my trades that I traded last week, if I just held them on break even and just held on until the end of the day, I would have made about fucking 40%. Because I got GJ fake out like twice. EJ we could have taken on the fake out, and they ran like fucking 200 pips. So, you know, using the knowledge that the volume's high because of what's going on in the world, you can take a lot more out of the markets. But what me and Don always say is, you know, we're just taking the same piece every single day. It doesn't matter if there's loads of volume or not, we still take the same piece, which is true, and I 100% agree with that with, you know, 99% of the months in the year. But because of that 1% of the month where it's fucking so much volume, if you acknowledge that it's going to be loads of volume in that time, then holding on your trades is probably a reasonable idea. Why the fuck is my OBS not recording? Because that's kind of annoying. Now I can't. Yeah. Too many concurrent. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. Let's just get rid of all this shit. So yeah, look at that. Can you see GJ bounced off this support? So if you did get caught into maybe taking these sells and you didn't close there, you need to start to look at the hourly time frame. That's where I'd have closed some. Okay, it's also 4-hour support. Okay, You trade with Don Sit. Don's our boy. I don't trade the same kind of strat, but you know, it's the same mannerisms, the same zones. It's just getting in different. I was saying this before. I backtested Don's, and it's literally the same as mine. The only difference is that my R2R is maybe a little bit better than his, but he gets into a couple more trades than me more every month because the 5-minute closes above more than the 30-minute does, obviously. So yeah. But it's still quite similar. Like the trade ideas is exactly the same. It's just him entering on the 5, that's all. And the win rate's very high on it, so it's good. There we go, gold continuing. So never be threatened with, you know, with a little bit of drawdown on Goldie. You know, if you think about it, the stop loss was, you know, 92 pips, whatever. We got down to like 60, I mean 50, so it was nowhere near. So yeah, we kind of got to wait a little bit longer now, because you know what I'm looking at here. I'm scanning for where I'd want to take trades, and obviously I wanted the sells here. Was the R to R off, or was it all right? Actually, it wasn't that bad, was it? Let's take a look. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Did anyone take the CJ trade? Did it give you a little top wick? Did it give you time to get in? Looks like it dropped pretty quickly. Yeah, looks like it dropped pretty instantly. Yeah. Very nice. But yeah, like when you start seeing as well, like the candles, the charts, you start to see where your moves are going to be. And I knew Goldie was decent, especially with how strong the candles were. GJ and that, yeah, it's all right if you got the sell straight away there. Stop loss was, you know, pretty clear there, pretty easy, pretty obvious stop there. So you could have got something out of it. I look for second entry supports falling on the 5. Yeah, for me, I'm done on gold because it's at 2,000. If I had to guess in my mind where price would reject on gold, it'd be 2,000. And I've already taken 80 pips out of it, so I'm not really asked. I'd rather let it do its thing. So another thing as well. People in the chat, so I think Tom and maybe one other person took their trade off a bit early here on Goldie. Now, what I always suggest to people is, right, you can't also base your analysis off someone else. For example, if you're learning with me and I'm taking this trade, and then you hear maybe Tom's taking off or someone's taking off, you need to remember that these people are very, very good traders. Tom, you know, you may take your trade off just before we push down a little bit further, but what Tom's probably thinking in his head is, right, it's probably gonna have a little bit of drawdown here. I'd rather get out now, and then when it re-breaks and re-flips and starts pushing again, I'm just gonna re-enter. So you need to remember that if you close that position, you may not enter again, and therefore you've taken a winning trade off, and you haven't re-entered. So it's kind of how you play the session and how you kind of know if you're gonna get back in or not. Because for the most part here, nothing closed in our direction apart from the 15. Bearish here, but it didn't even close below, so you gotta remember that. 2,000 is also a psychological number, yeah. Max, can you check the celery if I did good or no? 30-minute gold, I got out before 1 hour break because it might reject, so 1.2% up. Oh yeah, the celery, yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Celery was good. Stop loss, you could use current candle, like I say. 34 pips. Obviously had no lower wick, so it might be a little bit scary, but yeah, beautiful. Yeah, celery play was great. Yeah, no lower wick. Yeah. So let's have a little game of Wordle while we wait. Oh my god. When I saw that 15 didn't close below, I placed buy stop instantly, yeah. Innit? When that 15 rejected, I was like, oh, I think I'm lucky here. You can get a push now. Please analyze gold above 2,000. No. It needs to come retrace. So what E at the end with no A? That's my only issue. Gold hit 2,000. Yep. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Very nice. Give me a fucking word here, man. I don't know. There's no A and there's no R. House. A bit of a shame for me. I took the L. My stop loss was current high or low. What? How? I tell you right now, there's more. And this is what I preach, right? There's no point in making your stops more aggressive and stuff. Like, it's just gonna get hit, man. It's, you know, prices just moved from the top to the bottom here, 130 pips, then even higher, 180. If your stop loss is less than 50 pips, you are fucked. It's just ran 180 pips. When it ranges, it fucking flickers between 50 pips. So you got to put your stops logical, and the logical one here, it was the 30-minute lows. You know, trying to tighten this is just gonna make things. You know, you're just gonna take more L's. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, if anyone's got any gold Rolexes or whatever, please hold on to them. They're gonna be worth quite a bit in a couple hours. So 2005 is the next TP, and then 2017 for people that are still holding. I hope Bitcoin will keep rising. I think isn't it pushing down now? Oh no, it's rising still. Yeah, Bitcoin will probably still continue up, man. It makes sense. Why would Bitcoin continue up? Well, people are worried about banks and where can they store their money. So Bitcoin's the one. So yeah, I mean, you know, if I could buy a bit of Bitcoin right now, I may actually do that. You know, how much would I make if it got back up to? Yeah, I'd make quite a lot. Goldie flying. I'm really surprised it's just pushed straight through 2,000, to be honest. Yeah, so it's gonna go fill this wick eventually today. Nah, I don't think today. I mean, maybe, you know, it's already moved quite a lot. Are you looking for more buys? No. No, I'd take my money and I've taken my money and I'm good. I took my money and I'm good. I've made like 1 point. I don't know why this says. I don't know why, to be honest with you, this says 0.85 because I've actually made 1.1. But anyway, whatever. I'd rather my actual results be more than this because this is, you know, a bog standard. But I have made more than this. I made 1.1. There's a guy on Twitter betting $1 million that Bitcoin is going to be trading above $1 million in 90 days. Wow. Wowza. Looking like JPY is still holding price there. EJ as well, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be 2 minutes, guys. I'm just gonna go get a drink and stuff. We still gotta wait a little bit longer now. Maybe give him a little chest and stuff like that. 200 pips in 30 minutes pre-London on a Monday. Yes. EJ looking good if it closes below 1359. Let's take a look then. 139500. So when we drop before here, yeah, we come back to 139. So yeah, I mean, yeah, potentially. There's a lot of wicks there though, which is a bit annoying. But I mean, I suppose the zone, yeah, it's 45 pips. So yeah, potentially. Below support. Raja just made 300k on gold buys. Doesn't surprise me. Which trade did he take? Did he? I don't think he's posted anything yet.
At this point, you don't even have to place a stop loss on gold.
Innit? Fuck, should have held. It's when everyone goes, I should have held. No, bro, take your money and go, boy. Wow, 200 pips. You mentioned it on Twitter. Oh my god.
Did you buy some Bitcoin, Max?
No, but I'm thinking of maybe doing it after this.
Oh, my crypto taking a batter in the last year, so it's nice to see some relief.
Yeah. I just think, in terms of these banks getting worse, I think we're gonna get another run, to be honest. Yeah, there's quite a lot of gain you can get on it, so maybe we'll see. Because I missed it. Oh, you missed it. Oh yeah, you tried to get in. 71 likes, guys. Amazing work. Just trying to get the subs up. Look at that, 10k, boy. Amazing. 10,008 now. So yeah, I think the only one that we've got to wait for here is probably EJ. Probably 67 pip zone. Not bad, not bad. I'm stuck with this one, man. I'm stuck with it. I don't know what to do. It was early for me, part of my plan not to trade before. Yeah, that's fair. That's good though. Well done, Toy. That's good discipline. Very nice. I'm trying to, Tashi, but you're not helping me. Ah, Glove. Glove is always the one where it helps me when there's an O and an E. Oh my fucking god, Tashi. Nice. Tashi comes in the building, just does that, leaves. What exchange are you going to use to buy? Binance doesn't have GBP deposits and withdrawals anymore. What? It definitely has withdrawals because I withdraw all the time from Binance. Do you know what I might do? Actually, no, I suppose it's not really fair for people, but maybe with their gains. I may give 10% discount for people who want to pay me in Bitcoin. Then you could buy me some Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, all you got to wait for now, really, here in gold for later on is some retrace and then some support forming. See you later. Yeah, I gotta go early as well because I've got my bloods. I need to get my bloods taken today. Yeah, Binance stopped GPU withdrawals and deposits. When? When did this happen? A few days ago? Ah, well, I withdrew. Let me tell you when I withdrew pounds. So what? Have they done this on purpose? Like, what's the reason why they've done this for? I withdrew on the 15th of March. 5 days ago, yeah. Oh yeah, people in the mentorship who've joined this week, because I know that some of you haven't done this, make sure to go to this Telegram. Go to this one. First of all, go to the pinned comment and go to the chat. This one here, if you haven't already. But also the G Drive. Make sure to go to click this link, and then I can invite you to the G Drive. Okay.
What's the G Drive?
So the G Drive is where all the educational content is. So if you go here, so all the simulations that we've done, so you can go through a simulation that we've done together. Gold simulations there, homeworks, all the homeworks that I've gone through, and then all the setups that are there, and then obviously the webinars as well. These are all the webinars. Kind of put them into more folders now, so you can kind of go through beginner knowledge, like the easy stuff, psychology. So yeah. Bitcoin made the low wick for the week, hopefully, yeah. Because they lost their GUP withdrawal processor. Ooh, interesting. So then how can you withdraw money then? That's sus. That's a bit sus. 76 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. We're still waiting really here for potentially maybe an EJ closure. We'll see. It is only a Monday. It is only a Monday. FTX vibes, yeah. Yeah, so far this year's not looking too bad. I want to get this percentage win rate up maybe a little bit higher. These are wrong though. I don't know why this is so wrong.
Yeah, that column's wrong for me as well.
Yeah, like why is it so fucking wrong? Like
I clicked it to try and change it, and I was like, nah, it's far too complicated for me.
Me too. Look at that. Fuck that.
You didn't design it, did you?
No.
Ah.
I just nicked it off fucking Don. I think this column's right though. This makes more sense.
Yeah, I think the individual months ones as well on each page are alright.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I agree. So yeah, you can see like in March here, can you see, look, 30-minute time frame, 77% win rate. The 15's 50. So I am starting to wind down. I've talked to the group about it at the end of last week, but 15-minute time frames on GJ, EJ, I'm not going to even look at all. Sometimes in gold, 15-minute time is not bad. If we go and have a look and see what happened from the last months, like in 2022, we go to here. If you look at gold on the 15, it was still 82%, so it wasn't bad. But then, to be honest with you, there's a lot of times where I put 15-minute in the column, but it was actually 30-minute closure, but using 15 stops. So I may have to go and rectify all that, which takes fucking ages. But anyway, yeah, like you see here on GJ here, 66% win rate on only 4 trades taken. There's no point. I'd rather just wait for the 30s. 83% win rate, 77% gain. So. Last Friday there was good 50-minute trades on EJ and GJ. Yeah, but there was also good 30, and I took the 31. So it's kind of like there's a lot of L's on the 15s, and for the 30 there's not many L's. I'd rather just take the 30s. Yeah, I took this trade yesterday on EJ. Sorry, not yesterday, on Friday. Seller who played to continue to fill a zone. I closed full here at the 30-minute closure. Wasn't too bad. And I was looking for GJ to fucking give me an entry because this was all clean back down. But this candle rinsed. Then we came up a little bit. I was waiting for this candle to close like nicely here so we can get the drive with stop loss above, but stop loss became like 65 pips, and like to these lows only like 30, 28, so it wasn't worth it for me. So I just looked at EJ instead. Oh my god. Okay, so how long's EJ got left? 18 minutes left, so yeah, we've got a while. I'm gonna go play a game of chess. La chess. Goldie's still at 2008. Fucking hell. That Raja trade, let me take a look and see. When did he get in? Did he get in on the celery? Holy. Oh my god. Where the fuck did he take that?
$300K is insane.
Where the fuck did he take this move at? 19. He literally just going right at. See, like for me, that I can't fathom that. I can't go in my head and go, you know what? That was the buy to take. I don't get that. That brings warning signs to me. How the fuck did he know what to buy there? And how did you know the next candle was gonna rip? Like, what the fuck? It's ridiculous. I just don't get it. Like, the amount of times, like, and this is why I feel a lot of people struggle to follow Raj's like mentorship and stuff, because it's just so like, how the fuck? There's no clean candles here yet until you get above 1979. There's a little bit of choppiness here. How do you know that this next candle was gonna rinse up straight away? No bottom wick, no nothing. Like that just completely mind blows me.
Like you said, he's probably just basing it on fundamentals.
Well, yeah, and that's what I was doing.
Any little signal, he's just thinking, right, let's just get in.
yeah, that's true.
Hope for the best.
And then did he also put a massive fucking lot on as well? Because he always does that. Raj will put like, well, not a small lot, but you know, you put like smaller lots in NY and then takes up L's, and then in the London one, he'll put the fucking biggest lot he's ever had on, and it'll run 300 pips. Yeah, wow, amazing. And where did you close? Did you just close fucking 2008 or some shit? 2006. My god. $120 lot. God dang. Crystal ball tarot cards. I knew it would be in it at least. And also another thing that completely fucks my mind is every single day that Raja is like busy, the charts are wank. Like they are fucking wank. And then the morning he comes back, he'll have taken like a fucking 300 pip move. You're like, what the fuck? Like, it's just ridiculous.
Like he's trading less and making more.
He just never misses. He never misses ever, ever, ever. Like he'll take every single big move. It's ridiculous. Like if I see a clean move on gold that's pushed, like, I know fine well Raja's in that fucking trade. But when the charts are ranging like ass at the start of the day, he won't even be looking at the charts. He'll be fucking sitting on a sunbed in Singapore. It's like, how do you know which day to come on and which not before it's even started? Like, it's ridiculous. It's his broker, so I would take it with a grain of salt. Yeah, I suppose that's the only thing. I don't know. I don't think Raja would lie. I don't think he's that kind of dude. What does he have to lie? Like, what does he have? He's already got everything. He's already got a. There's no point really. One second. 2 minutes. So yeah, like here now, if people are going, oh look, 50-minute low wick, 50-minute flip, it's like, bro, it's look how far it's run. You do know that, you know, it's not going to run forever. It will eventually start to push quite down, and you don't want to be caught in that. Hell no. So if you're looking to try and take gold buys right now, it's because you've got FOMO, okay? So please try not to. Please try not to. Right, let's have a game of chess while I'm waiting. While I'm waiting patiently. Did anyone actually kill me there? I'm going for it. Aladdin! Yes, I finally did it on someone. I finally did the move. I got my revenge. DHL parcel, what the fuck? Ah, nice. Ooh, okay. Don't know. Ah, shit. So yeah, I mean, what you gotta do, maybe wait for later on NY session, get that volume again, and then you can just take some beautiful buys again. That's what I would do anyway. Just wait for some retracements. Could take ages. Looking like EJ still holding the support. I keep it in a private wallet, yeah. Private wallet, always. Any wallets? I use Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet on my phone. It's pretty good. I like it. Work Street. I don't know how safe though, so I wouldn't want to recommend something that I don't know. Well, this guy, fuck off. Oh, I need to move my queen. Fuck it. You can't move the pawn now. Yes. Exodus wallet is safer. What's the difference? I actually don't know. Like kind of stuff like that. I do not know. So yeah, we've got 9 minutes left for London Open. London Open normally brings some good volume, which is great. That is a great success. You got a ledger or Trezor? I have no idea. I think it's just called a ledger, I think. Wooden ledger. Yeah, seems to be quite a big support down here. Ooh, okay. Nah, I think I know a better one. If I go there, I mean, yeah, check's probably the best option, you think? Oh, yeah. Okay. Just checking them all right. Yeah. Look at these 5 minutes. Beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful. So, if you guys do want to take something away from the stream today, it was patience and don't get too worked up. Don't get too worked up when you're in drawdown. If you don't like drawdown, then trading is not for you, unfortunately. You need to remember that. In every stream, I'm asking you, can we play one game together? Maybe. B6 to F2. Yeah, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. That was the move that I wanted to do before, actually. 1 second, let me do that. Yes, very nice. Okay, so I could do this here. I know, should I do this one first? Should I kill him first? Yeah. I'll just move him up and he's checked. Watch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3. Oh, he can move there though. Oh no, he's checked. Yeah. Okay, he's fucked. Are you ready? GJ doesn't look good at the moment. Yeah, looking like it's reacting off. You know, it's reacting off 4-hour support though. It's what you expect, right? Bro should have killed the pawn with queen. Would have been a checkmate 2 minutes ago. Ah, shit. Max just taking W's today. Also, guys, if you guys are looking to find a broker that has the lowest spreads in the game, normally, actually they're quite high there. Fast withdrawals, the safest one, has its own liquidity, it's the only one that has its own liquidity, is IC Markets. I'll put the link here to join. And yeah, that's the only thing. IC Markets and Magic Keys are the only. Oh, sorry, 1 second. IC Markets and Magic Keys are the only things that I promote because they're the only things that I like, and I know that works. I use them. So if you want a broker and you're not in the US, if you're in the US, you can't use it, unfortunately for you. But everyone else, I'd happily recommend it. If it's reacting off 4-hour and 1-hour support, it's okay to take 30-minute support play or too risky. You know, it could easily break, you know, any option as well. It's just, it's range trading. I don't really know how to trade range trading, so I have no, you know, link on it. What link should we use for IC Markets? Yeah, that one above. Well, the one that Nightbot's put on. Yeah, use that link. Oh. Doesn't that chart work, so man? Go to... 1 second. Go through this one, Mohammed. So, go to your chart. Go to copy link to chart image. This one here. And then put it in like that. What the fuck? Why does it want me to talk to him? Like that. Yeah, do that with yours. Play viewers for Bitcoin, lol. No, because you guys know I'm shit, so fuck off. So there we go, a little retracement now. See what I mean, though? Don't try and get in last. You're just going to get slapped, you know. Take the trade. All that good stuff. Okay, buys above. So, let's go through this map. This is a good one, right? So, what I look at first of all is where are the cleanest candles, right? Where are the cleanest candles? Well, let's take a look here. So recently, this has been quite clean, right? It's been quite clean. Okay. If we look at your area that we're looking at here, you know, we've got a clean candle there, I suppose. That's one clean candle, but the rest of the level is quite rangy. We look a little bit higher up. What do we have here? Well, we have clean candles up and down there. Clean candles down there. Clean candles up there. So I actually think in terms of where I want to find logical places to take trades, I think in terms of zones, try and mark out your zones, right? So the next thing you got to do is go, right, this is the cleanest candles, these are the cleanest candles, okay? So that's what I want to look for. The next thing you do, as Totti's done there, is you look at the resistances. You go, where is res? Well, there's resistance there, there's resistance there, resistance there. Resistance quite a lot there, isn't there? Quite a lot of resistance there. So if I want to take a buy in that area that you've discussed here, is it going to be reasonable for me to take trades there? Well, probably not, right? Because it's rejected like 4 or 5 times in this area. Whereas if I just wait a little bit further above and get a closure above here, what do I have to stop me to take the buys? Nothing. It's clean. Clean there, clean there, clean there, clean there. So therefore, I can take my buys. So it would be buys above there. Would be great. This is the zone. So then what I always tell people to do is put it in zones, right? So yeah, this is kind of what I'm talking about here. Okay, can you see that these are all zones now? So let's say that this is zone 1. This is a good zone to trade in. That was nice. That closure below there was not bad. Zone 2 is a bit choppy for me, so I wouldn't take trades in zone 2. So this is good. And then above I would for zone 3. Okay, so then you just wait until zone 3 happens, take the trades there, great. Obviously, if we were in this one before, which we might have actually been, but I was focused on gold, whatever. If I look below to the left hand side, would I have gone for that same analysis? Well, this is clean down, this is clean up, this is clean up, this is clean down, so very clean zone. Closure below, stop loss above. The zone might have been, yeah, it's 34, 40 pips, that's alright. So therefore I could have taken that trade. But you know that this zone here is just too choppy, not enough clean candles, whereas the zone below and the zone above are good. So just kind of putting them into zones for me, that's how I kind of see it. Max, you trade your own capital or you funded? Trade my own capital, but I did do funded for 9 months. Max, what do you think of res to form at 162.7 area? So for me, people in the chat, you ask me. You ask that. You guys, sorry, not ask, you answer. You answer that question, people in the chat. In the Zoom chat. Should I be looking for some resistance forming? All good, Mohammed. Good stuff, man. That's what I want to say. You know, put in as much effort as you can. Okay, so the reason why I would not take this trade is because we've already just came down and hit support. So for me, it's just in the range. We did it in a webinar like 2 weeks ago. It's already hit the low. So a resistance forming is when it makes a new low and there's no support to the left hand side. For me here, it's literally reacted straight off it. So you could be looking for some resistance forming here and it's actually just tapped the zone. It's actually just going to play in here. Yeah, so I wouldn't take it. So, yeah. Looking like EJ's rejecting over here. Looking like, can you see goalies as well now? Starting to retrace over here. Wow, that's a fucking retrace and a half. Holy shit. My god. Look at that. See what I mean? So try not to come last in this race because you will get hit pretty hard. That candle just ripping. And this is why you're starting to see the JPYs retrace. So yeah, it's a little bit of having a little bit of a relax over here. You also look and see where Raja got in. It was when the 4 hour closed bullish. Yeah, that's nice. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, so yeah, we just gotta wait over here for this EJ to close below, I think. Goldie having the retracement. As I said, I would take sales below 1969, I think, to get back down to 62. That'd be nice. London Open, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Hope you're doing well. We've already taken a beautiful trade this morning. To start off the week. To start off this beautiful week. Look at that retracement, a 50 pip retracement. Man, that's mad. That's madness. Let's go here. Where's you got a 340k in gold today? Yes. Yeah, you got it very early. Oh yes, right, let's take a look here. Can EJ retest 140, 240? Can it? Of course it can. Does that mean that we have to take trades up there? No. Could easily just reject here, close below, and then the sells in play again. Which is all I'm going to wait for. Yeah, I'm going to probably wait until half past here. Hopefully we can get this closure below. That would be great for us. Look at Goldie retracing and then just pushing back up. So, yeah, be careful with taking sells at the moment. It's not bearish at all. They can have little dips and they just have retracements, but it's still very damn bullish over here. And if this reflips and starts pushing back up, hopefully this is going to give us the push down that we want for EJ. Hopefully. So yeah, we got 22 minutes left for this closure. Here we go. See how it's starting to reject. Still got a lot of time for the 30. As I say, I'm not taking any trades in the 15 on EJ anymore. There's just no point. So yeah, I gotta wait. If that means that I missed the trade, that's fine. I know overall it's not really much point of me taking 50-minute time frames. I don't make enough money on them, so there's just no point. Dum 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 dum. I don't know why I did that. Why the fuck did I do that? You bloody idiot. Oh my god. GJ 30-minute salary but into support, exactly. Yeah, I'm not making that mistake like I did last week. Just gonna wait for that closure below on EJ hopefully here. Yeah, these candles on the 5 aren't giving me much nice price action though either, so we'll see. Here's a little song I wrote. Note by note, don't worry. I've got some sourdough ready for some breakfast. Oh, beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah, I don't know if I like this price action on EJ. Look at this. So one thing that I always say to people, you know, if the price action is a little bit on the rough side and it's still a closure, then I normally just leave it, right? Because if you think about it, right, what I mean by bad price action is just, you know, candles that are not printing in a way that I want to. So for example, you know, this is all nice. Now we're just hovering here, and you know, If I'm basing my whole trades on how candles are closing and how they're forming and respecting highs and lows, then I don't want to be entering on trades that look like this ever. You'll never ever see Raja take a trade ever where there's wicks like this and the bodies are tiny. Always on strong candles, so that's just kind of how we've learned it. So yeah, we are going to do a simulation session today. We will be doing... Let's take a look which one we're at now. September for GJ, and then gold we are on April. So it'll be gold gold April, May, and we'll do GJ tomorrow, GJ October 2021. So I'll be great. But yeah, I mean, in terms of the mentorship, guys, look at all this content. This is for the past like 5 days, right? You had 4 wins, 1 loss, weekly outlook, trade reviews, 2 simulation sessions, homework, webinars, and you get access to every single one that we've ever done. So as you can see here, all the webinars are in here, all of them, loads of them, all the sims, all the GJ sims, schedule. It's a beautiful night. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like these candles on EJ at all. June PPI as well, which just happened, minus 0.3, better than expected, but still negative. Trade balance at 10 AM. Not bad news though today, which is good. Not bad at all. 87 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. As I said, if you get 150 likes, I will do a Magic Keys giveaway right on the spot right now. So get them likes up and we can give away some Magic Keys. What about gold if the next 15 breaks the high? Nope. I will not be taking any more gold buys until later on. It's already pushed a significant amount. $78 pip stop on GJ already. Nice. The zone is maybe the same if you get the wicks, but 30-minute support is there. 159 flat, only 30 pips to get to 159. Stop loss is 70 or 80 pips. Hell no. So you've got to always kind of weigh out the zone, right? If the zone's too small, then leave it. For example, the zone that we had for this buy that we took was like 88 pips. So the stop loss was like 90, 82, I think. Yeah, it's kind of the same. So that's why I took it. Doesn't mean you have to close at that point, but just make sure that the zone that you're going into is equal or bigger than your stops. Okay, your logical stops, not like a stops that you fucking put on the 5-minute time frame just to make the zone bigger. Like no, like a 30-minute zone, 30-minute stops. Is the zone big enough? That will really help you kind of identify which trades you take and which ones you just go, you know what, I can't take them. So looking like these are kind of pushing down here. I don't think there's any way I can get in. And actually to the left hand side, I don't actually like it. There's nothing really that I can see. It was so far away. So I think the best... Oh, actually this is alright. We're going into it now, aren't we? So I think the best scenario for me here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for some resistance to form, I think. So if we break this low, continue down, get a retrace and then resistance forming, that's probably what I'm going to take later on. In the New York session. If you guys do want to join the New York session, I'll put that link there. Look at Goldie. Goldie just reflipped, boy. Look, see another push down. And so this time the celery worked. Yeah, but exactly. It's just one of those things, right? A lot of volume here again. Going back down to 159. Mate, it's not teasing me. I've taken my money this morning. I'm good. And there's no, you know, if there was other areas where I'd want to take trades, great, but it looks like EJ's kind of already pushing this zone on the 15, so I'm probably just going to miss this one over here. But did I really miss it? The zone below to that wick is actually quite small compared to the stop, so I'm not really that asked. But yeah, in terms of this week, guys, there is a shitload of news. Oh my god. From Wednesday onwards, I think. Yeah, Wednesday, FOMC, CPI for pound, FOMC later on, huge day. Thursday, we have bank rates for pound, which is huge. Friday, we got flash manufacture. Yeah, we got so much news this week. So, good volume, we'll see. See what we can use with that, that'll be great. EJ 50-minute close below, yes. If you just listen to what I've said the past 20 minutes, you'll know that I'm not taking the 15s anymore.
TV about the penalties that you didn't. But in that moment, have you?
Well, like you are saying to me, but of course, I hope that the people that is going to decide, they decide with the fairness that the moment.
Yeah, he's fucking pushed the ref. Do you play any video games? Yeah, I do. Tonight I play them with my boys. Just play Valheim really, and then some other ones as well. Maybe like a bit of Rocket League and stuff. I'm still playing the Harry Potter game. Still haven't finished it yet. I've been so busy recently, man. I've been just learning how to edit. To be honest with you, I've been putting most of my fucking time on that, which I discussed last week. The edit that I did last week is this one, which I'll probably post today. Is this it?
Over here, stop loss above the previous 30-minute time frame to continue to fill this zone below. How can we manage risk if we get closures, you know, bullish closures potentially? Break-even point at like 637 level because there's just a little traffic there. And if you look at past data, a GJ 30-minute closure, 83% win rate. And from the higher time frame to the lower, look at that 4 hour. 4 hours should get down to the low here. So yeah, obviously coming down to traffic, I've closed, guys.
Yeah, closed early there because there's news coming out, which is nice. But yeah, not bad. Nice. Yeah, I actually enjoy editing. It's quite satisfying. It is hard work though. It is graft, but like yeah. The only thing that's graft is the captions. Like making the captions like pop and stuff is kind of annoying. Ah, okay. Yeah, I don't play the WoW, to be fair. My mates do. My mates do. They always wait for the new DLC to come out and then they bash it. So Louis, my mate, will be bashing it now. So yeah. Also I'm traveling around the UK a lot this year, man. Next weekend we're going to Manchester. The week after I'm going to Bristol, I think. Man, we're going everywhere. Going everywhere. Yeah. On next weekend we're going to Manchester. We've got a hot tub in the hotel, so that'll be cool. That'll be pretty sick. Can you mean EJ left clean? Yeah, just look to the left hand side. If you can see over here. So what I'm looking at here is what happens when we come below this level, which was our current support on the right hand side. Well, we push down here, we push up here, we push down here, we push down here. So we push up here, push down here. Push up here quite quickly, so we move very quickly in that area, and that's all you need to know, right? If it moves quickly in them areas, you can take your piece of the cake and then, you know, dip. Yeah, fill the zone, nice for me. No entry. Same kind of thing with GJ here. GJ is at 159. As I said, I don't really like the zone below on GJ that much, to be honest. It's alright. It's going into quite a lot of traffic. I don't know. This is alright here, but it's not clean, I don't think. Also, your stops are going to be like fucking 200 pip stops. 112. That's a lot. Late this morning, Max and everyone just seen Roger post. Yeah, I take a 300k. Wouldn't you? Yep. Yeah, we took the gold buys, Ollie, my man. We got a 30-minute closure above. Took the reflip. Took a little bit of drawdown for ages, and then yeah, we just pushed. We smashed the levels over here. Back to I actually really didn't expect gold to push straight through 2000. I thought we'd have maybe some sort of retracement this morning, then maybe later on, but man, that shit just fucking ran. Yep, literally just buy gold. Big stops, be good, be good. Yep. There's also Real Madrid Barcelona, wasn't it, again? They fucking played so many times recently. I've definitely seen more than one game. So yeah, also in the chat, guys, on YouTube, they're the link to my trades. You can go and look at the sheet and see what trades I've done and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, boy. So, I mean, in terms of what I would want to do now, I think in terms of EJ and GJ, I mean, the closure belows could be alright. 4 hours leaving the zone, it's just stops are huge, man. And it's not like the zone below is so obvious, it's just guessing, really. Like, you know, it's far away and it could be maybe okay. I mean, price is right there right now. It could maybe be okay because this is alright for Asian session to continue back down to maybe these resistances there. That kind of level there. 158789. So yeah, you can see how small that zone is now and then how big the stop loss would be. So it's just a bit like, nah. I'd rather, and this is a good thing. This is why I love this, right? You know, when things are starting to get hard to take the trade, you know, a lot of people with FOMO and like amateur traders will try and take the trades and stuff like that. Whereas all I know is like, right, I don't really like this. The zone's maybe a bit too small for the stops. Therefore, I'd rather just see price push. If it does, that's great. You know, nice. And then all I gotta wait for in the next, you know, couple hours is the candle. Oh, is candles to retrace here. Some resistance like that. All I gotta do. Okay, so I don't worry too much about the, you know, missing a trade now because I know in the next 2 hours I'm probably gonna get another trade. So that's great, great success. Whoever just took the 50-minute break of the high there, you were being greedy. Okay. Okay. Already pushed up loads. If you didn't get in, like, you know, with this first closure, you're just getting in way too late. I know that it's good and you're like, oh, look, 50-minute rejected break of the high there, it's going to continue, but man, you need to remember how far we've ran from the Asian highs. We've ran fucking 300 pips this morning. $300 pip Arudis. So Raj's trade in the morning was at 5:30, whatever. Nice. Huge. Right, before we leave, I'm just gonna go check and see. Spread some love to the other streamers. You know, they put their effort on the line. Let's take a look at Champion over here.
Now we do have to recognize where price found support at. Like very short-term support. It found support.
Is it the 5 minutes?
We'll see right now. Cold side. 2002.
Down to where, 96?
I think we could make our way down to 96. Yeah. Low risk sell right here at 2002. Stop's gonna go to give this some time to play out. At the end of the day, you know, it's not like
it's a gold sell. Interesting. Where's the trade with a simple one?
Full lot size position.
There's always simple ones, man. Let's take a look and see who else has spread some love over here. Who's live? God, there's no one really live, eh? Filters. View count. We're the top G's. Top G's, boy, with 10,000 subscribers now. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Was that gold sell on the 1 minute? I have no idea. I think it was in the 5, maybe. But he's looking like he's holding, so that'll be interesting to see. So yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna leave it off over here now. I don't think EJ and GJ for me are good opportunities. I'd rather wait for safer, cleaner options. For me, I'm gonna dial down more on just taking the trades that I need to take instead of just rushing getting into trades that realistically I don't need to take. This one here I don't need to take these sells below. I don't think the zone below is nice. I think the stops are going to be too big. So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait until the NY session in like, 2.5 hours and then run it back up again. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. Simulation session later on today after NY session. We'll get that done. And thank you so much for coming on, man. Peace out. Thank you very much, squad. Adios, adios, adios. Peace out, peace out. See you later, guys. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Take care. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Peace out.